Guys, this is Lisa Warnick with Thrive Crafted Vans. Jeff and I are usually coming to you with a how-to video on what to do in vans, right? Today's a little bit different. As many of you know, we are involved in another company called Thrive Life or Thrive Foods. Thrive Foods is the reason we got involved in van life, because Thrive Foods, we wanted to pack a van with some of our Thrive Foods, go around the country, see our teammates, and share the Thrive love. So there's a huge problem in van life, in RV life, camping, right? We all have these very small refrigerators, but we all like to bring our favorite fruits, vegetables, meats, dairies, whatever we're carrying around. So with the refrigerators being so small, the problem is it's hard to fit everything that you want to bring on your trip, correct? So the solution is Thrive Foods, and this is the reason why. First of all, it comes in these cans like this, and you can take them on the road with you in these smaller cans. You can also store them at your home. They will store up to 25 years, and once the can is opened, you'll get 1 to 2 years of shelf life out of those. Now that's pretty good. So you'll notice here that this is a red pepper, okay? Now this would typically probably go into a refrigerator, but you can actually have these on your shelf now. So it's a wonderful thing. We also have this line that's called Snackies, and we have fruits, vegetables. These are one of my favorite, coconut bites. Amazing. So they are super, super good. If you want snacks and you like to eat healthy and you want fruits, vegetables, and maybe some coconut snacks, then get on board with the Snackies. I think this is the most valuable thing that we have for van lifers. If you do not like to chop and wash and prep meals, this is your ticket right here. These are our meals. We make our meals a little bit differently than other meal companies out there. So we make these meals in a giant pot and we cook it. We cook the vegetables, everything together, and then it goes into the freeze dryer. These meals will last you 20 years sealed. Now you can keep these in your home, and then when you're ready to go camping, you just get them out and they're ready to go. We have everything from breakfast, snacks, dinners, all ready to go. You simply tear off the top here, pour your hot water in, close it back up for 5 to 10 minutes, and you have a yummy meal. You don't need a microwave. You don't need an induction cooker. It's a beautiful thing. If you want to get creative in the kitchen, you can use these whole foods. Here I've got cheese, chicken, onions, and red bell peppers. Now, they're already chopped, washed, so it's just a pinch of this, a pinch of that. You can get, if you don't have room for the cans, you can also pre-make your meals, put them in Ziploc bags, and put them up here in your van when you're ready to go camping. So what's beautiful about this product is that it will last you 25 years stored, and then once it's opened, it will last you 1 to 2 years. So think of it. Your mushrooms, your onions, your blueberries, all the things that tend to go bad for me, I don't know about you, but go bad, you get to have these ingredients on hand for your trips in your van, and that is a wonderful thing. Another great thing about this product, it is so light. Like that, all the water is removed, so super light, super easy to store. So a great thing about this product is they're so lightweight. I'm going to show you this cheese. Look at that. It's all shredded for you. And even if you just get hungry for some pepper jack cheese, guess what? You could just take it out, throw it in your mouth. It's awesome. You know what it tastes like? Kind of like a cheese cracker. Like if you like Cheez-Its, that's what it tastes like. Except this has a little kick to it. It's pepper jack. But so light, so versatile. Whenever you need cheese, throw it in the pan. It's right here, chopped, washed, prepped for you. I guess cheese isn't washed, but it is prepped for you. So people often wonder, how would I use freeze-dried cheese? Honestly, you can use it in anything that you use regular cheese in. So if you're making an omelet and you want a little bit of cheese, here's how you do it. You take a little Ziploc baggie and you put a little cheese in that. Put cold water, that's the key, and shake it up and down. Then if you're making an omelet, you take it as it's refreshed and it feels like regular cheese, which will happen pretty quickly. You throw that cheese onto your omelet and it melts beautifully. It has the taste of pepper jack cheese. It's amazing. So not only do we have pepper jack cheese, we have mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. One of our family's favorites is Parmesan cheese. We use it on our rolls every Sunday for our family dinner. We just, again, reconstitute it and get it freshened back up through the water, throw it on those rolls. Amazing. One of my favorite products is onions. Onions I've used for 14 years now, and I don't plan on going back to fresh onions. And here's the reason why. Again, they are all chopped and ready for you. So if I am making spaghetti sauce, I will simply get a scoop of this, throw it in there, and because there's water in your spaghetti sauce, it just automatically refreshes on its own. And you've got flavor in there now, and it's just so easy to use. I'm all about simplicity, and when my food in my van helps me have a better trip, that's when I'm buying this. I just want to let you know the difference between freeze-dried and dehydrated. A lot of people get these two terms confused. Dehydrated product is used with heat and it removes a lot of your nutrition in your product. It removes the water, but it also removes nutrition. So let's just say maybe you're going to Costco and you see dehydrated mangoes. They have been dehydrated, but they also have been pumped full of sugar, so they will actually taste good. So freeze drying is a different process. We drop the temperature below freezing, and then the pressure, extracts the water. But one thing that it does that is so beneficial to you, the consumer, is going to be that it leaves 98% of its nutritional value in the food. And not only the nutritional value, but the flavor and the color. So just so you know, it will retain its flavor and shape as well. So here's a brand new can of red bell peppers. So when you open this can of red bell peppers, make sure you take the oxygen absorber out. Sometimes I have forgotten to do that. But look at these nice red peppers, already chopped, washed, ready to go. And guess what? You can snack on these things and they are delicious. So many people ask, what's the best way to get Thrive? And I always say it's our monthly delivery service. So you go in and you have the option of retail or monthly. Click the monthly delivery service. Now, some of you might be worried like, oh, I don't want to be on that every single month. Not to worry. Cancel, pause, or skip at any time. So you are in control of your food. It's like groceries to your door, right? We will put a link in the description so you can go check out all these good foods.